Welcome back to Reviewsinsidetv, where today we're taking a closer look at the Bissell AeroSlim lithium-ion cordless handheld vacuum, model 29869. If you're looking for a compact, lightweight vacuum that can clean up those quick messes with minimal fuss, stick around as we dive into what this vacuum has to offer. Whether you're tackling small spills or needing something for your car or office, the AeroSlim could be the perfect fit for those on-the-go cleaning needs. The Bissell AeroSlim is designed with convenience in mind, offering cordless power from a lithium-ion battery that promises up to 12 minutes of runtime. That's perfect for quick cleanups, whether it's dusting off your desk or cleaning your car interior. This vacuum features a 0.1-liter dirt cup capacity, which, while compact, is ideal for short bursts of cleaning. The 2-in-1 crevice tool and dusting brush are included and neatly store together on a stand with the vacuum itself, so you won't be searching for attachments when you need them most. It's also USB chargeable, meaning you can power it up with your standard charger or any USB port, making it incredibly versatile for charging at home, in your car, or even in the office. When it comes to real-world performance, the AeroSlim delivers solid results for its size. While it doesn't have the same power or capacity as larger full-sized vacuums, it shines in scenarios where portability and quick cleanup are key. On hard floors and low-pile carpets, it's effective at lifting dirt and debris, but it may struggle a bit with thicker carpets or heavy pet hair. The 12-minute runtime is adequate for most quick tasks, but if you have multiple areas to clean, you may need to recharge before finishing up. The weight of the AeroSlim is another highlight. At just under 2 pounds, it's easy to handle and maneuver around tight spaces. It's an excellent choice for anyone looking for a vacuum that's easy to lift, especially in places like your car, stairs, or even around your kitchen counter. The noise level is relatively low, making it comfortable to use without disrupting the surroundings. One of the standout features here is its size. At only 12.5 inches long, it's compact enough to store practically anywhere. The dirt cup is easy to empty, but given its small capacity, you might find yourself emptying it more frequently than larger models. The USB charging feature is another plus, allowing for a more convenient charging experience whether you're at home or on the go. However, the charging time of 2.5 through 3.5 hours might be a bit longer than some users would like, especially when you're in need of a quick recharge. In terms of practicality, this vacuum excels in handling quick cleanups. It's not going to replace your main vacuum for deep cleans or heavy-duty tasks, but for everyday light messes, crumbs, dust, or small spills, it's an excellent choice. The crevice tool and dusting brush are especially helpful when you need to get into those hard-to-reach areas or clean delicate surfaces like your car seats or computer keyboard. However, the AeroSlim isn't without its drawbacks. Its small dirt cup capacity may not be suitable for larger messes or extensive cleaning sessions. The runtime, while decent for short bursts, could be a limitation for those looking for longer cleaning sessions, especially on higher power modes. And while the suction power is sufficient for quick cleans, it may not provide the deep cleaning required for homes with thick carpets or pets. Considering its price, the Bissell AeroSlim offers good value for those looking for a portable, easy-to-use vacuum that gets the job done without the bulk. If you're in need of something that can tackle daily messes or be easily stashed in the car or office, this vacuum offers a solid, no-frills option. However, if you're after something that can handle large messes or heavy-duty cleaning, you might want to look at larger handheld or stick vacuums. When comparing the AeroSlim to other handheld vacuums on the market, there are a few things to consider. If you're willing to spend a bit more, you might find models like the Black Decker Dustbuster or Shark's handheld options offering similar or slightly better performance with longer runtimes or larger dirt capacities. On the other hand, if portability and compact design are your top priorities, the AeroSlim holds its own in terms of convenience and ease of use. Build quality is solid, though it's important to keep in mind that it's a lightweight, budget-friendly handheld. The materials feel durable for everyday use, but it's not built for the heavy-duty demands that some vacuums can handle. Cleaning and maintaining the AeroSlim is simple. with the dirt cup and filter easily removable for cleaning. However, the filter might require frequent washing depending on your cleaning habits. Bissell's customer service reputation is generally positive, with quick response times and helpful solutions. The AeroSlim comes with a 1-year limited warranty, which gives some peace of mind in case there are any issues down the line. In conclusion, the Bissell AeroSlim lithium-ion cordless handheld vacuum is a great solution for quick, everyday cleaning needs. It shines in small spaces, cars, and office environments, providing easy portability and decent performance for light messes. It's best suited for those who need a convenient, compact vacuum for short bursts of cleaning. However, it may not be the best fit for anyone requiring long run times or deep cleaning performance on larger areas or thick carpets. For the price, it delivers on what it promises, but it's not a replacement for your main vacuum. If you've been enjoying this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you won't miss our upcoming videos. Have questions or already own the Bissell AeroSlim? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear about your experiences. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay tuned for more reviews, tips, and tricks from Reviewsinside TV. Until next time, happy cleaning!